Okay, so we all know what this is. What is this, girls?
A marshmallow.
A marshmallow is how Julie says it. A marshmallow. That's really good. Yeah. But what in the world is this thing? This looks pretty cool.
Is it to fight with?
Is it to fight with? Who's gonna win? Oh no! Oh no!
Surrender! Surrender!
So actually, they're not for fighting.
No.
This is for when you make a fire in your fireplace, and also with this, and sometimes the logs in the fire need to be turned over. And so instead of putting your hand in there and getting burnt, you use this to flip the log over. So we're gonna make a fire and roast some marshmallows and show you how it works. All right, let's do it. Okay, it is important that before you make a fire, there is a door in here, a little lever that you have to open. And if you don't open it, you're gonna notice right away that a lot of smoke is gonna come into the house. So we're gonna push this lever, open. All right, let's make a fire. Okay, Julie got distracted by a bag that she really wants to pop. Okay, go ahead and pop it.
Yay! What's this other one?
She likes it because it makes lots of noise. All right, you guys want to build the fire?
Yeah!
All right, let's do it.
Yes! Yes! Thank you, Jesus!
Okay, you got to crumple up the newspaper. Crumple it up into a ball.
I don't like this newspaper. It sucks. Yeah, it sucks.
Okay, now put it in the fire. No, don't just throw it in there. Set it in there.
Let's read this one.
Okay, yeah, very good. Okay, crumple up another one.
I don't like this newspaper. Yeah, I don't like them either.
Okay, that's good. Just those four.
Let's see what this means.
Sure. Well, I guess you already have that one out, so go ahead. Crumple it up. Put it in there. You guys get distracted really easily. Squirrel!
So that I may talk. Squirrel!
I like a dog. Squirrel! Can I put it in there now?
Yeah, just put all the sticks on top, the small little sticks on top of the newspaper. You need some more newspaper on to the right. And those type of sticks, it doesn't matter, you just throw them. Make sure they are on top of each other. Don't spread them out though. They need to be like right on top of each other. All right, you gotta, no, you don't, you got a big pile? All right, it's almost ready.
Almost.
No, you don't keep those doors open. You got a carpet on the ground so it doesn't catch the other carpet on fire.
So much ready.
Because sometimes the logs like to pop.
Ready! Let me just do it first. I need a pan. Where's the pan? I also need to...
All right, let's see how well you did with stacking the fire. No, you gotta, no, do down at the bottom. Like, down here. You gotta catch the newspapers on fire, not the sticks. Push.
Wait, do I push this up or down?
There's a reason why you have to do it with an adult, and these are childproof. Fire, fire, fire! All right, we got a big fire. Make them a big fire, huh, Julie? Woo! You guys did a good job. Okay, so we don't have any marshmallow sticks, but we do have a metal hanger, and we're going to use the metal hanger as our marshmallow stick. So I'll show you how to do that.
I'm gonna make it. See how well I do.
Okay. All right, time to put some logs on there. Wow.
It's very dangerous for my dad.
And And it's important probably to use gloves because that helps so you don't burn your hands. So safety first. This log is cool because this log you can just stick in there and it will go for 3 hours and just burn. So it's awesome. Let's do it.
You don't even have to take it out?
Nope. Just leave it in the sack like that.
And then it will like burn out.
It'll burn.
It's gonna get hot.
All right, we got some logs on there now. We gotta wait for them to burn a little bit and then we'll use our little stabber thing that we showed you to move the logs over so they get burnt on all sides. Okay, so we are going to turn this into a marshmallow stick.
And I get to go first.
So you just have to bend this off. Now keep taking it off, just straighten it up. And you have your marshmallow stick. Perfect. You can put it on either end.
Okay. Can I go first? No, I want to go first.
How about let's put it on this end because we can use the other end as a handle. Okay, Julie, the moment you've been waiting for, time to roast your marshmallow and don't catch it on fire. Just cause. Go. You're scared. Is it too hot?
It's burning a fire. Jenny's doing crackers over here. Oh my gosh, stop it.
We should probably let the fire die down so it's just coals to do marshmallows. It's probably a little too hot, but it's a fire, it still works. How does it taste? Yummy? Messy?
It kind of good.
Okay, so you see how this log, only one side is burnt. And so that side is kind of getting wasted. So it is time to use our little stabber thing and move the log. There we go. Perfect, and that's how you use it. All right, we made Jenny her s'more. Take a bite. And all your dreams will come true.
One bite, and all your dreams will come true.
All right, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed it, and don't forget to subscribe below. And I asked a question last time of why do you put batteries in a fridge? And it actually helps to keep them to last longer if you keep them in the fridge, if they stay cool. So if they're in your car and it's a really hot day, it might wear your battery down. And my next question is, why do you put an ice pack on a body part that really hurts or is really sore? How does that help? All right, think about that and we'll answer that next time. All right, see ya.
See ya.
Bye.